Hello, now let us try to understand why Tableau is so relevant in the world of big data and analytics. Harvard, which is arguably the number one B school, says this that data scientist would be the sexiest job of the 21st century. And we also know for a fact that Tableau is not just data visualization tool wherein you keep generating reports for the customers. Tableau is also an analytical tool which will give the business edge to the customers. If you look at the screenshot which I've put here, this is a screenshot from Tableau. And you see analytics as a separate pane here wherein there are a lot of additional options which are available. You can summarize the data, you can build a prediction model, you can build a forecasting model. We will understand each of these concepts theoretically also to ensure that you have a better advantage over your peers when it comes to Tableau. Now, let us understand on what is big data. We have wealth of data which is getting generated on a daily basis. Look at this. Not just things which are on planet Earth, but things which are in the space are also constantly, relentlessly generating data. Think about the satellites. Think about the Mars rover. They generate wealth of data when it comes to the Earth. Each credit card transaction which we perform is a data point which gets generated. Each product that you purchase, either on e-commerce site or in a brick and mortar store, would generate a data point. Every millisecond, data gets generated when it comes to the stock market. Things which were earlier on shelf, such as books in a library, are now available online for us. Wikipedia generates a wealth of data. It provides us a lot of information free of cost. Then we have YouTube, we have social media, we have LinkedIn, we have Facebook, we have Amazon, and we have Netflix, which is into movie streaming services. So all these are generating data relentlessly day in day out. Let me show you some interesting insights on how big is big data in the current world. 500 million tweets every day, 1.3 billion accounts. Think about the wealth of data which gets generated on a daily basis. How would you draw business inferences from this is pivotal for your success. 100 hours of video every minute is what YouTube users upload onto. How do you analyze videos? How do you analyze the images? How do you break the video into frames of images and how do you analyze that? Right? There's wealth of data which gets generated when it comes to security cameras. How do you really analyze that for your own benefit? We have 800 new websites which are getting created every minute. 100 terabytes of data on Facebook. And of late, 1 billion concurrent users were logged on to Facebook. And Mark Zuckerberg has come on record to make a statement that it has happened for the first time. But think about this. Moving forward, the internet penetration is increasing. The number of smartphones which people use is increasing. And the adoption to social networks, social media is increasing. Hence, the wealth of data which is getting generated is increasing. Google processes 100 petabytes of data per day, and 1 petabyte is equal to 1,000 terabytes. Think about that. The latest laptops or the latest computers are coming up with a maximum of 2 terabytes. And 1,000 terabytes in a single day, that is amazing. There are more than 1 million customer transactions every hour on Walmart. How do we draw inferences with such huge data? That is a challenge which we are trying to solve by using data visualization tools such as Tableau. Here is an icebreaker for you all. Quickly count how many numbers are above 100. I will give you only 3 seconds to do so. Time up. Were you able to identify? If yes, you're extremely intelligent. If not, don't worry. Visualization will help us. Here is the next icebreaker. How many numbers are below 10? I would give you once again 3 seconds to solve this. Time up. Were you able to solve that? Do you have the number handy on how many numbers are below 10? If not, do not worry. We'll look into how data visualization would be able to help us. Which quadrant has the highest total? Again, I give you 3 seconds to solve this. Time up, friends. If you were able to solve, amazing. Hats off to you. If not, do not worry. Let us see how visualization will come in handy to solve these kind of problems quickly. There you go. Now, if I give you 3 seconds, probably in a second you will be able to say that there are 6 numbers which are above 100. If I give you once again 3 seconds to count the number of digits which are below 10, you would instantly see that there are 7 entries which are below 10. And here, if I ask you which quadrant has the highest total, instantly you would say that it's quarter 4, this quarter. And you know for a fact that the darker the color, bigger is the number. Bearing that in mind, we know for a fact that quadrant 4 has the highest total, followed by maybe this quadrant here. That's the power of data visualization. And Tableau helps us with a lot of such interesting insights. We will be solving all of those using Tableau. Now, let me stop here for a moment and let us switch gears and let us get into the Tableau products. Thank you.